you are wondering who we are, let me explain. Most people think that there are two groups of people in the world, leaders and followers. We are the third type you have probably never heard of. We are Fit2FightBack, a group of independent humans. We are neither leaders nor followers. We have the power and skills to stay out of the stupidity of injustice. We hate violence, but we can fight. If you mistake our kindness for weakness, kindness is the last thing you are going to remember about us. We are not the biggest, and you would never tell that we are the most dangerous ones. Because we are often smaller, outnumbered, and seemingly defenseless. We need to do things differently. We are smarter, we are faster, and we never give up. Gender, size or age makes zero difference. What makes a difference is our exceptional training and what we fight for. We don't wear kimonos, and the best ones out of us are our mentors and friends, not our senseis. What we do is based on logic, not on tradition. That's why we progress and evolve, making the future better with every training. We are Fit2FightBack. Welcome to the club. We are Fit2FightBack, creating future without injustice.